Welcome to Rebelway. You're about to experience an epic online learning adventure, unlike anything you've ever experienced. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to navigate our exclusive learning platform. Navigate to rebelway.academy and log into your account. You'll see your list of courses directly in your dashboard. From here, you can view your course, turn in your assignments, and join your Discord group. The course content is released week by week, and you'll see in the sidebar menu a countdown to tell you when your course content will be released. From the title page for each week, you can see a description of the content, understand your assignment, download your materials, and upload your homework when it's ready. Inside each week, you'll find modules featuring the lessons for that specific week. You also have the ability to download your videos by clicking the orange download button right below your video. Once complete, you can click the button at the bottom to mark that lesson as complete. When you're ready to turn in your assignment, just upload your file directly to the assignment box for that week. Try to upload zip files, videos, or photos if you can. But if your assignment is larger than 100 megabytes, simply upload to Google Drive or Dropbox and share a link to that file inside a text doc. This will allow your instructor to access and view your homework. You'll see the feedback on your homework in the homework portal. From here, you can view all of the submissions from your peers in the course, but you won't be able to download their project files. From here, you'll be able to see feedback from your instructor. You can also write your own feedback and give encouragement to other students as well. You'll have up to 1 week after your final lessons are released to upload your homework for feedback. After you upload all of your assignments, you will be given a completion letter for your course. You'll find your completion letter inside the dashboard. By clicking the Discord button, you'll be able to see conversations and announcements from the Rebelway community. You'll automatically be added to the chat channel for your course. From here, you can ask questions to your TAs, instructors, and fellow classmates. This is the best place to get help while you're in the course. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll also see a number indicating the amount of course credit you have earned off future courses. Credit can be used to take up to 15% off a future course. If you ever need to view an order or to make a payment, you will find that information under the My Orders tab. Okay, that's about it. We can't wait to see all of the incredible work you create in your course. Be sure to share your progress inside of Discord, and if you ever share your work online, use #Rebelway. You just might end up on one of our social profiles. Best of luck in your course, and remember, once a rebel, always a rebel.